friends, and welcome to the channel. The year is 2021 and you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or filmmaking in general, and probably you're also wondering if you need that bump up in audio quality that an external microphone can bring to your videos. This is what we get in the Rode VideoMicro box. We have here the suspension mount for the camera, okay, the cable, the dead cat from Rode, and the microphone made in Australia. So this is the microphone fully assembled with the dead cat on. We can safely say that it's a really compact form factor. Actually, I have here a banana for scale. As we can see, this is smaller than a small banana. So we shall run 3 basic tests. The first one, I will be speaking straight to the microphone, the external one and the built-in, of course. The second test, I shall circle around the camera and see how the sounds gets picked up by the Rode and the built-in microphone. And in the end, I will play some music from this old MacBook Pro, and you know, it's a really sad story that they don't make them glowing. I don't really know why they dropped this idea. For me, it was amazing. But anyway, let's move to the test. Just a sec. "12 Rules for Life" by Jordan Peterson and Educated by Tara Westover. So rule number 1, stand up straight with your shoulders back. So rule number 4, compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. That was rule number 2. Rule number 5, do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. Rule number 3, make friends with people who want the best for you. And rule number 6, set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Rule number 7, pursue what is meaningful, not what it's not what is expedient. Rule number 10, be precise in your speech. Rule number 8, tell the truth, or at least don't lie. I like this. Rule number 11, do not bother children when they are skateboarding. This sounds a bit random. Rule number 9, assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. Rule number 12, pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. This cat on the street. One of the best, most absorbing memoirs I've ever read. That's from The Stylist. Educated is an unflinching account of love and brutality, of the strength of blood ties and the power of imagination, and of a young woman whose intellect, self-knowledge and courage illuminate every page. Beautifully written, her powerful tale of trying to find a place for herself in the world without losing her connection to her family or her beloved home deserves to be widely read. Breathtaking, heart-wrenching, inspirational. I've never read anything like this. And now for the final test, the third and final one, I shall play some music from Epidemic Sound, which is the platform where I get my music for this channel. So, this will be Rode, and this will be the built-in microphone. So now it's time for the tip. Is actually hinted on the box. It's right over here, and here. You have the microphone mounted, but if you move it, it's very shaky. As you can see, this is so wobbly. And moving the camera, it will go, and it might just ruin your sound. Okay, so what you must do, you have these ridges over here. So you take the cable and fix it in one of these ridges. Okay, fix it. And what happens now is, as you can see, stop the shaking, stop the wobble. Okay, it's fixed. So we're here, it's conclusion time. Do you really need an external microphone if you're just starting out creating in 2021? Well, considering the low price point, the clarity that this gives you, the superior tone, not to mention if you want to use it outside, the dead cat is absolutely vital for windshielding, then I will totally recommend this for you. But if you're on the low budget side, then I really think you can do without it, especially if you're just planning to film indoors. Then I'd say that it won't really hinder your evolution as a creator. So if you liked the video, then click the like button. A subscribe would be amazing. But if you didn't, then click dislike and feel free to leave a comment below. I happily accept criticism, especially the constructive one. And until next time, stay safe and keep it happy.